How to fix Instagram keeps crashing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings and scroll down until you find battery, and here you will find power saving mode. Make sure power saving mode is disabled. Don't make it like that, just disable it. And if you found here performance mode, enable it. And now let's move to the next step. If you have an iPhone or Android, just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Then turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your phone. Open Instagram and turn it on again. And that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.